Hey everyone! I'm thrilled to guide you through transforming your content ideas into reality using ChatGPT. In this video, I'll walk you through some practical steps that will help simplify the entire content creation process, making it both easy and efficient. If you want more tips or resources, don't forget to check out the pinned comment below. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the first step, brainstorming creative content ideas. Whether you're stuck or just want fresh perspectives, ChatGPT can help generate ideas based on your specific niche or target audience. Today, I'll demonstrate how to do that for a YouTube channel about, let's say, sustainable living. So let's paste down here the prompt that I crafted together. So it's asking for a content ideas tailored to sustainable living right here, for instance. This is perfect if you're looking for inspiration in an eco-friendly space. See right here? Now, let's see. As we hit send, ChatGPT will quickly provide us with several content ideas. So, let's see. All right, here are the following that ChatGPT had provided us. As you can see, here's the main topic idea, and there's further information a bit over here just to help you out. All thanks to ChatGPT as it currently generated with the results. And yep, and there you go. As you can see, we now have a list of ideas like, for example, sustainable fashion, how to build an eco-friendly wardrobe. So right here, they also share tips for creating a stylish yet eco-friendly wardrobe. There we go. There's another one right here for sustainable travel tips, for hacks from choosing sustainable transportation or packing travel kits here and there. And yeah, these are great starting points for any content creator in the eco-friendly niche. Quite helpful, I must say, ChatGPT. Once you've got your content ideas, the next step is to organize them into a clear structure. This is where ChatGPT can really shine by helping you create a detailed outline for your video, article, or blog post. I'll show you how easy it is. Let's try structuring an outline for, let's say, a blog post about reducing plastic waste in everyday life. Now, with what I said, I would craft that into a prompt, and here it is, right here. Now, once we submit the prompt, ChatGPT will then break down the topic into logical sections. So here we go. And here it is, as usual, always starts with the introduction. There's the hook. There are a few more details just to guide the creator in planning with the content creation with the video idea right there. There's section 1, 2, 3 with each subtopics that will be discussed. One right here say no to single-use plastics right there. And then it always ends with a recap, call to action under conclusion. There's additional resources if ever you need them. And yeah, look at that. Let's scroll up and we'll scroll down to look through what ChatGPT had generated so far. So ChatGPT has structured the post. Yep, once again, starting with the introduction. There are the main sections each, starting with reusable bags with one section here, and then another, buy in bulk and avoid excess packaging right here. There's also a pro tip that covered for each section and topic right there. And then scrolling down is the conclusion here. And yeah, so this outline gives you a roadmap to work from, making content creation much more organized and efficient. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now that we have our content outline right here, it's time to move into writing the actual script or draft. This is where ChatGPT can help you produce high quality content in minutes. Now let's see how it can take our outline and turn it into a polished draft. Now, for instance, for this segment, why don't we focus on the introduction per se? So here's what I can do. I will do that is. So I'm just going to select and highlight this part right here. It has all the parts and details that contains in the introduction, like the hook right there, and then the problem overview, and then the purpose right here. And then once I selected it, there's the feature right here. Just click reply so that it would be specified for ChatGPT to generate based on my prompt that I'll be sending here right now in the input box. So here's the one I come up with. Very simple. See, write an introduction for, I'm just going to change it to this YouTube video on, same thing, ways to reduce plastic waste in everyday life. Right here. Oh, right there. I send it over. And here's what ChatGPT have come up with the intro. See? Right there, and here it is. ChatGPT has crafted an engaging intro. It highlights with right there. Let me scroll up right here. This is what it highlights, these parts, and then crafted by ChatGPT, and here is the results right here. See, it contains the hooks, the overview, etc., etc. And yeah, so this is a great starting point, and you can easily tweak it to match your style and tone and voice, that is. See, perfect. The final step is polishing and editing to make sure it's clear and engaging. ChatGPT can assist with refining your content by improving flow, clarity, and even adding more impact to your words. Let's take a look at a rough paragraph from our script draft, for instance. So let's say I wasn't satisfied with this paragraph right here. And let's see, here we could ask ChatGPT with a prompt right here. Here's my prompt, simple as that. So I say edit this paragraph to make it more engaging and clear. Now, there are two ways to highlight that certain paragraph. You can either copy this and paste it down here, or even easier, you can just highlight it, and this would pop up, click, and now it's highlighted to your prompt right here, and just send it off. Easy as peasy. So as we send this off, ChatGPT would then review the paragraph and provide a more polished version, helping your content feel more professional and impactful. So let's see. All right, here we go as it currently processes. And yep, ChatGPT has then refined the paragraph to be more engaging. So let's read right here. So here, for instance, let's say we can do a comparison with this. So this one it says, but the solution is simple. Make the switch to reusable alternatives. And this one, make it more engaging. And this one sounds like the solution is easier than you think. Switch to reusable alternatives. See how different the wording and the tone it executed right there based off the formation of the words right here? Pretty cool, huh? So, yep, that's about it with the guide for this video. So as you can see, the tool can really streamline your content creation process. And this is making it easier and faster to produce high quality work. And that's about it. See you next time, everybody.